These things arrived in the post today. They're supposed to be an intercom system. It's come from a top-rated eBay seller by the name of DigiZone, and it's described as an intercom system. Well, an intercom system is something. It's a device that allows people to talk to each other. So let's find out if you really can talk to each other using these things. And here we are, set up at the receiving end. It's the little handset thing with a screen on it. I'm just going to go into the other room and push the button that someone pushes for the doorbell button for the talking bit. And then I'm going to come in here and answer in it. Okay, now I need to answer it. The volume's about 1/4. Right, I'm going to go into where the talking bit is and talk into it.
Me talking to the mic. Can you hear me at all? Get really close to it. Something closer than I am now. I don't want to because we're not quite enough.
Maybe I need to turn the volume up. I'll turn the volume up a bit. Volume's now on maximum.
Hey, me talk. Right. Me up. Hey. I don't think picking me up.
Well, that's not looking good, is it? Well, there we are. I don't really think this is an intercom system. It's described as an intercom system, but I don't really think it is. Because an intercom system, you're supposed to be able to talk to each other, and with this, you can't talk to each other with it.